Hello, third graders. I'm going to briefly show you how to access XtraMath. So I need to be on the Clever login. So I'm getting there. Log in with Google. I'm going to go to 3B. Now today we're starting a fluency app called XtraMath, which is right here. When you click it, it will take you here.
Welcome to XtraMath. I'm Mr. C. I'm going to help you get better and faster at math.
You should listen to this video, but I'm not going to have you do it.
Okay, let's do a placement test to find out how well you know the multiple.
And then it will take you into your placement test. And to answer the questions, you just type the answer on your keyboard. And if you get things right or wrong, we'll keep track. I'm going to need to reset Magnolia, which is okay. And it will help you if you get stuck. And that's about it.